I buy power, more like I buy power supply problems, because this gaming PC just showed up in my shop with absolutely no response from the power button, and after pulling out my Thermaltake Dr. Power 3 power supply tester and hooking it up, we could see that there was absolutely no power being drawn, even from the tester, a clear sign of a defective PSU. But to go ahead and verify nothing else was wrong, I went ahead and hooked up one of my known good power supplies to the system, and it fired right up. And if you're curious why this power supply failed in the first place, it could be the ridiculous amount of dust in the system, or the fact that it was a super cheap 80 plus not bronze rated 600 watt unit from a company called High Power, not something I would ever put in my own rig, let alone a custom. And I think it's just ridiculous that iBuyPower thought it was a good idea to cheap out on the power supply like this when building a system. Fortunately, nothing else was damaged in the process because those power supplies can often take things down like the motherboard. But before we go ahead and swap in a brand new power supply, let's go ahead and get the system cleaned up so we can go ahead and install a brand new 750 watt unit from Corsair. And after wiring everything up, the system is now back and running perfectly.